So today we're going to learn about date and time in Python library. So date and time is we can get it from calendar library, right? So let's try to solve this problem right here. The given input string is year, month, day, and year. So we will convert this into the weekday. So and also we will have to capitalize the name. So let's try to solve this problem. So first things first, we will have to import calendar, and that calendar contain a lot of library that we can use it right here. So we will convert the input string to month, day, and then year. Okay, and then we will use map. We will convert the input string into list of integer, and that we will use the variable for accessing this weekday name. Okay, so now calendar. Let's try and print this. Calendar will have calendar. This will first thing first. We will access the year, month, day using. We will try to get the number, right, of the given date. So that will be calendar dot week day, and that will contain year, month, and day. So if you don't know what the order is, you can use internet, or you can just access through the manual of this Python language, right? So, and after that, year, month, day, we will print what does it look like, what is the return, right? So this is the number that we want to get out. This is basically the weekday number, and after that we will use calendar again with dot day name, right? So that's the one that we can use right here, and we will access that day name by using a key. We will use the weekday as a key, and yeah, and after that we will capitalize it upper, and then we'll print that weekday name. Okay, this is what it looked like. Let's try to submit this. And it will pass. So yeah, that's the solutions for Python day and time calendar library.